What are ES6 classes, and how do they work in JavaScript? In recent days, there has been a surge of interest in JavaScript's ES6 classes, especially among web developers looking to modernize their code. If you are curious about how these classes function and what benefits they bring, you are in the right spot. Let's break down the essentials of this trending topic that many developers are currently searching for. ES6 classes were introduced in ECMAScript 2015, providing a more straightforward way to create objects and manage inheritance compared to the traditional prototype-based method. This new syntax serves as a helpful layer over the existing prototype system, making it easier for developers to write object-oriented code. To define a class, you start with the keyword class, followed by the name of the class. Inside this class, there is a special method called constructor. This method is automatically executed when you create a new instance of the class using the new keyword. It initializes properties for the object, setting the stage for its behavior. Functions defined within the class, outside the constructor, become methods accessible to all instances of the class. This allows for organized and reusable code, which is essential for effective web development. Another exciting feature is inheritance. Classes can extend other classes using the extends keyword. This allows one class to inherit properties and methods from another, promoting code reuse. The super keyword is then used to call the parent class's constructor or methods, making it easy to build upon existing functionality. Even though ES6 classes look similar to traditional class-based languages, they still relying on JavaScript's prototype system under the hood. The class syntax is essentially a more readable way to work with prototypes, making it more approachable for developers familiar with class-based languages. For example, consider a class called person. You could define a constructor that takes a name and age. Inside this class, you could also create a method called Greek that outputs a friendly message. Now, if you create another class called student that extends person, you can add additional properties like student id and methods like study. This structure not only keeps your code organized but also allows for easy expansion and modification. The recent interest in ES6 classes reflects a broader movement towards cleaner, more maintainable code in web development. As developers continue to adopt ES6 classes, they are finding that this approach makes their work more efficient and their code more readable. If you are looking to modernize your JavaScript skills, understanding ES6 classes is a fantastic step forward.